What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new slime video for you, and I am super excited because today I'm going to be exposing some of my slime recipes from slimes that I've stocked in my shop. I actually asked you all on Instagram what video you would like to see, and you all picked this one, so that is why we're here today, and I'm kind of excited. If you're excited as well, don't forget to give this video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Come join the unicorn fam. We would love to have you part of our unicorn magicalness here on the internet. Speaking of magicalness, here are the Unicorn Fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. You all know that the Unicorn Fam has a special place in my heart. You all have post notifications on, you are subscribed, and you always comment using the hashtag Unicorn Fam. If you would like to be a part of the Unicorn Fam and you want your comment shouted out here in one of my videos, then make sure you comment down below hashtag Unicorn Fam and make sure you're subscribed. I actually wanted to remind you all that on May the 12th, that is Mother's Day weekend, I'm going to be in Stamford, Connecticut for the Maddie Ray's Slime Bash Slime Convention. I am super excited. At the Slime Bash, you can trade slime with like other slimers. You can make your own slime. There's going to be like slime booths where you can make your own. I'm going to be selling some of my slime. I'm going to be doing a meet and greet, and also I am going to be making some slime live for y'all, like on stage. It's going to be so much fun. I believe right now the tickets are sold out, but I heard from a friend just saying that the tickets might come back. There might be a little bit, so if they are, I will definitely update you all on Instagram, or you can follow Slime by Maddie Ray also on Instagram because she is hosting the event. I am super excited to meet you all, so come on through if you can. Make sure you check out the Instagram so that you can see if tickets are updated. Anyways, I am super excited to get on with the video, so let's get started, shall we? The first slime I'm going to show you all how to make is Wonka Jelly. So in a large glass bowl, I'm going to go ahead and empty out 1 bottle of Elmer school glue into there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in some red food coloring. You can also use some red pigment powder if you prefer to use pigments over food coloring. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in the scent. Now, the exact scents that I use for this is a lemon drop scent, a watermelon patch scent, and I also add in a pineapple paradise scent, and it makes it smell so good, just like fresh fruit and sour candy, basically. So now I'm just going to go ahead and mix that all together. Now this is going to be a jelly slime, so once we add it in our instant snow, the color is going to lift a bit, at least I feel it does. So I went back in with some red food coloring just to make it a little bit darker so that whenever we add our snow in, it doesn't make the slime too light of a color. Now it's time to go ahead and work with our instant snow powder. So this is a little bit of the instant snow powder granules. I'm just adding in some water to that just until I get the right consistency. Basically what you're looking for is you're looking for the snow to turn transparent. However, you don't want it to be too wet at the same time, if that makes sense. So it kind of looks like a jelly bath texture. If you've ever like seen a jelly bath video, or if you ever seen jelly bath like in real life, that's kind of what you're going for. Next up, we're going to go ahead and take our activated snow granules, and we are going to go ahead and dump that into the mixture here, and we're going to mix it all together again. So the way that I determine how much snow to use in a batch of slime, I just make sure that the mixture, once the snow powder is added in, looks kind of like an icy or a Slurpee. That's basically it. Once we went ahead and mixed the mixture all well together and everything's incorporated, I am going to go ahead and add in some rainbow foam beads. Now I'm adding in just a little bit of them just to give it an awesome texture. Also add in a little bit of crunch as well, and it just looks really nice. It kind of reminds me of candy, and that's exactly what we're going for, so do that. Now it's time to go ahead and activate our slime. I am using a borax solution here. I've actually never tried making jelly slime with a saline solution or with contact lens solution or anything like that, so I'm not too sure if that works, but I definitely know that borax works for sure. I will say though, however, when you use a borax mixture for a jelly slime, I would say to use a stronger borax than a weaker borax, even though it's a clear glue based slime, just because there is already a lot of water and moisture from the activated snow powder, so you don't want to add any more and make it too jiggly, if that makes sense. So the borax mixture I'm using here is actually 1.5 teaspoons to 1 cup of water. Once you have fully activated your slime, it should look a little something like this. It's going to be a tad bit jiggly and fluffy. That's just because there's a lot of air bubbles incorporated. Don't worry, those will all go away and you will have a super bubbly top to the slime. That's going to be so fun for like ASMR videos if you want to do that. This is also going to be super rubbery as well. That is just how it goes, but trust me, once you let it sit for a couple of days, jelly slimes usually take about 2 to 3 days to clear, just because there is a lot of extra moisture and the moisture does help the slime clear. So don't worry if your slime comes out like this in 2 or 3 days. Just go ahead and put it away, forget about it. You're gonna bring it back and it's going to be glorious. And now the second slime that we're making today is a slime called Tranquility, which is actually part of my stress relieving type of slime category, I guess. In a large glass bowl, I'm going to go ahead and empty out 1 bottle of Elmer's Glue All. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in about 8 to 10 pumps of hand lotion. This is going to make your hands feel super soft when you're playing with this slime, and it's amazing. I'm also going to add in some green food coloring as well. The color green is super soothing, and it's perfect for this because this is supposed to be a stress relieving slime. I also added in some scent to this. I used Australian bamboo, and it smells so good, and I just mixed it all together. Next is when the magic happens. We're going to go ahead and activate it using a strong borax mixture. That way we can go ahead and avoid adding in too much water and excess moisture into our slime. This is going to help the slime stay super thick. You know, a glue-all slime already is super thick. However, this one's even thicker than a normal glue-all slime. You want to really overactivate the slime. However, you don't want it to lose its stretch. So make sure you add it in a little bit at a time, like super little bit, just so that you can get the right texture. You will know your slime is good when it is super holdable and you can actually hold it in one spot, or you can even hold it in your hand and it won't try to run everywhere for a couple seconds. You know, it's not like a normal slime how it'll just like drip and stuff. You know, this one is actually soothing, and you can, you know, hold it while you're doing homework or something. You know, it's just really nice, and that is exactly what this slime was designed for, and I think it's pretty good. Alrighty y'all, well that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know, first of all, if you're going to the slime bash. Secondly, let me know which of these recipes were your favorite. I think my favorite right now definitely is Wonka Jelly. It's just a throwback and I love it so much. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Hand in hand we run, hiding from the sun.